Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching BD Sweeties. We're kind of embarking on the holiday season, so I wanted to get back on here and post some Christmas and Thanksgiving treats. I'm also going to post my Halloween caramel apples that I made, but I didn't get a chance to post them because I was again having technical problems. But they turned out really cute, and the recipe is pretty easy, so you should be able to make that. Today I'm going to do make some chocolate covered Oreos. I'm going to use the golden Oreos as opposed to the chocolate, but you can use whichever one you want. For that, I've already made some toppings out of fondant and out of chocolate, melted chocolate as well. And in order for me to make those, I used a silicone mold. I had quite a few Christmas themed molds. I used that. I'm gonna need some pure white candy melts. I got these from Michael's. I have some off-white candy melts that I got from Walmart. I'm gonna add color to that, so that's why I'm using the off-white. And then of course the different colors that I'm going to use is going to be blue and white and then some gold. And I have some sprinkles here just in case I decide to use some of those, as well as the cookie mold. Now remember, I told you with the cookie molds you can always substitute them with a cupcake mold, something of this nature. Any color, shape, you can just form them in these molds if you don't have the cookie mold or you don't have time to purchase it. So that can go down. So we're gonna get started, but I tell you what, I got something really exciting in the mail the other day, actually this past weekend, and it was my signed CD from CRAIG David. It's CRAIG David featuring MNEK. Out of the UK. He's like my favorite artist, and he's going to be in concert pretty much all of next summer with the TS5 and CRAIG David separate. So if you get a chance, pick this up. This is not a paid advertisement. I just love CRAIG David. And on that note, we're going to get busy, get started, make some Christmas chocolate covered Oreos. So we're going to get everything set up. You've got your tray all set up. You got your cookies together. In these trays, there are spots for 5 cookies. And I have 2 more trays over to the left. And right here I have the chocolate bark from Walmart. And I'm going to melt it. And I find that with the chocolate bark, I don't have to add any coconut oil. I'm gonna go ahead now, microwave it for 30 seconds, take it out, stir it around, then put it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds and continue to stir. Then I'll add my food coloring. So this is what it looks like after 30 seconds. Go ahead and stir the entire thing now. I'm going to add just a hint of blue coloring to this because it's a Christmas theme, and I'm going with a snowflake type cookie. Now the color that you add to it, you have to be careful to know if it's oil based or if it's water. If it's water, then your chocolate will seize up. That means it'll just stiffen up and you won't be able to use it in a spreading consistency. So you want to be careful, and you can just ask when you purchase. So I'm just putting 1 drop of color in there to see if it's the color I want, and I do believe that it is. But you've got to stir, make sure that it's all mixed up. Now we'll just do the same with the blue. You have your covered Oreo cookie. Take a little of the white, add it to the back, We'll just set a Christmas tree on that one. You don't have to put a lot because it's going to be eaten. And here we have a little gingerbread man. What else do we have here? Let's do another Christmas tree. Let's do some stars. Small one. Sometimes these gloves don't necessarily work in our favor. So put that there. This tree is a little bit larger, but it fits. So that's the 5 of those. Hi everybody, so I'm back with the final outcome of the cookies. I think they look really cute. You can use any type or any color that you want. When you make the cookies, if you don't have the mold, remember I said you can try and use maybe double the cupcake holder, paper cupcake holder, and make it in that. Or you can find a cup or glass or bowl that's the size of one of these and use that as the mold. The little cutouts, again, they're either fondant or melted chocolate that I placed in a Christmas mug, and I'm sorry, in a Christmas mold. So have fun with it. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the section below. I'll be sure to get back to your questions and comments, and I'll post my videos now on Sundays. So again, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them for me. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and get ready for our next Christmas treat because it's going to be great.